Is the MySmile Pro Teeth Whitening Kit really the secret to a brighter smile in just minutes, or is it just another flashy product with big promises and underwhelming results? In this video, I dive into the claims made by MySmile Pro, which says it can remove years of stains caused by coffee, tea, soda, wine, and even smoking, and deliver noticeable results in as little as 10 minutes, with up to 2 shades whiter teeth after a single session. That sounds impressive, but I wanted to find out if it actually works the way it says. I tested it and also gathered feedback from real users who've tried it consistently. The application is surprisingly simple. The LED light, mouth tray, and gel all come neatly packaged and ready to use, and the process doesn't take much time. Many users report quick results, minimal effort, and best of all, no tooth sensitivity, which is a huge plus for people who've had bad experiences with other whitening kits. However, it's not all perfect. One common downside people mention is the taste of the gel, which can be unpleasant and slightly chemical tasting for some. Still, the overall user experience is smooth and the kit does offer convenience, especially for people with busy lifestyles. So, is it worth your money? That depends on what you're looking for: instant whitening without the dentist bills, or something with longer-lasting clinical strength. This review isn't overly hyped or negative. It's honest and balanced, giving you all the facts before you decide. If you're thinking about trying the MySmile Pro Teeth Whitening Kit, the product link is tagged in this video for your convenience.